Well, in fact, I really wanted to know whether my investment portfolio is properly done. Am I really investing right? And I particularly did not have much knowledge on stock market. I'm not an active stock market trader as well. Therefore, I saw, okay, it's good to have an advisor who would help me. And then Fincart's ambition definitely stays in the same direction, where they wanted to really help the people. So right now, I feel that I am under the guidance of an expert eye, and they also have a very nice Fincart dashboard to show the growth and the investment that are made. And I have a lot of questions, and they do answer my questions very well and with the proper data backup. So that is give me a comfort of, okay, I am in the right safe hand.